Let's explore the legendary Halo franchise that revolutionized first-person shooters and gaming culture. Halo is a groundbreaking science fiction video game franchise that has captivated millions of players worldwide since 2001. Halo began as a revolutionary game that changed the gaming industry forever. Halo: Combat Evolved was released in 2001 as a launch title for the original Xbox console. The game was developed by Bungie Studios, who crafted an immersive sci-fi universe. Halo redefined what first-person shooters could be on console, with innovative controls and gameplay. The original Halo game featured the iconic Master Chief and introduced players to the mysterious Halo ring. Halo's story is set in a vast science fiction universe with rich lore. The story takes place in the 26th century, where humanity fights for survival against the alien Covenant. Players control Master Chief, a genetically enhanced super soldier known as a Spartan. The Halo rings are massive, ancient weapons built by a mysterious race called the Forerunners. The Halo rings are massive ring-shaped structures floating in space, capable of destroying all life in the galaxy. Halo introduced several revolutionary gameplay elements that became industry standards. Halo pioneered the regenerating shield system, where players could recover health by taking cover. The game limited players to carrying only 2 weapons at a time, creating strategic choices. Players could seamlessly enter and exit vehicles during combat, adding tactical depth. These 3 core mechanics form the foundation of Halo's innovative gameplay design. Halo's multiplayer mode revolutionized competitive console gaming. Halo 2 launched with Xbox Live support, bringing competitive online multiplayer to console gaming. The game supported up to 16 players in online matches, creating epic battles. Players could create custom game modes and forge their own maps, fostering creativity. Halo's multiplayer connected players worldwide, creating a vibrant competitive community. Halo has evolved into one of gaming's most successful franchises. The Halo franchise has sold over 80 million copies, making it one of the best-selling game series ever. Halo expanded beyond games into novels, TV series, comics, and other media. The franchise continues to evolve with Halo Infinite and future projects, keeping the legend alive. Halo has grown into a multimedia empire, spanning games, literature, and television. Halo's impact on gaming culture cannot be overstated. Halo defined what modern console shooters should be, influencing countless games that followed. The franchise helped establish esports and competitive gaming communities on consoles. Halo inspired an entire generation of gamers and game developers with its innovative design and epic storytelling.